Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to improve your PlayStation 4's internet connection and reduce lag. I uploaded a video similar to this about a year and a half ago, but that method didn't work for everyone. So I'm going to make this video again, but this time using a slightly different method that will hopefully work for more people. Just like last time, this will work for the PS3 and PS4, but I'm going to be showing you how to do it on the PS4 this time because some people were wondering how to do it on the PS4 because it's a bit different. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings and then go down to network settings. I'm going to test connection so we can compare before and after the method to see if it improves my connection. And as you can see, my internet's bad, so hopefully this will actually improve it, at least by a bit. Testing connection was optional, but the first thing you need to do is go to set up internet connection, and then whichever one you use, so whether you use Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable, choose which one, and then choose custom for the next screen, and then choose your Wi-Fi network. And on PS4, if it doesn't show up, just press the triangle button and it should refresh and you'll be able to see it. So connect to it. It might ask you for a password, it might not. It didn't for me because it remembered it. Now for IP address settings, this depends on how you prefer to obtain your IP address. So if you prefer to have your own custom one, then choose manual, but most people just need to choose automatic and it will automatically choose an IP address for you. For a DHCP hostname, just click do not specify, and then for DNS settings go down to manual, and in primary DNS you need to input 8.8.8.8, and then for secondary DNS you need to put in 8.8.4.4, and these are Google servers, so this is more likely to work for most people. Then just press next, and for MTU settings just pick automatic. Proxy server, just pick do not use, and then if you want you can test the connection and see if it's made an improvement. And as you can see, for me it's actually made my connection worse, so it might not work for you, but it's more likely to work than the other method. So I'll just test again to make sure it's not a one-off thing and just see if it has made it worse or not. And unfortunately it has. So like I said, this might work for you, it might not, but it's more likely to work. So now I'm going to show you how to go back to the default settings for whatever reason, if it didn't work or whatever. Luckily on PS4 it's really easy, you just have to go into settings, go back into network settings and reconnect to your router, but this time choose easy instead of custom, and then just follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your router, and that's it, and then it's reset. On PS3 it's a bit different and a bit more complicated. I'll leave an iCard on screen that'll link to a video on how to go back to your default settings on PS3. But yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this works for you. Any problems, please leave them in the comments. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.